And this is how the story is.
It's all about the story of Mildred and as a father. And me as a doctor and Arnie as a narrator. It's given around the applause.
Let's see it.
Family, hey. Maybe you're just depressed. I just give you
Like because she believes in herself, never loses her faith.
Guys, guess what? This is the project coordinator! Yeah, right. You got the promotion because guys, you have something to me. Okay. Bye.
So you are the assistant project coordinator, right? Why did you let? My God! Did you really let them to at least? Did you really let them to at least? My God! I'm so sorry for. You are not qualified for your position because you know why? Answer, please. You don't even know how to handle your employees.
What you need to do is negotiate and close the deal to get us our permit to open our new. How can I do this?
Big project, huh? Did you understand?
Yes, sir!
I tell my boss and I ask and I'm convinced
of life of our group mate, Maria Isabel. Of her life. One day, Isabel decided to live in her parents' that.
Yes, I'm sure. You know, it's just my parents. Yeah. But where will you go if you go to the Cebu?
You can enjoy the party if you not try to use the weeds of marijuana.
Hey Isabel, you want to
What's that?
marijuana?
Yes, Isabel. Yes, Isabel. Just right. If you want,
I have this bulb, lighting bulb.
Isabel, in her friend, is one of the top by police of Cebu. Thanks.
you can imprison them because of their age. They are so minor. We need to turn over them in the SW.
In that night, if you do not ask, the answer will always be no. If you do not step forward, you will always be in the same. This all matter. The designs of Maria Isabel Bunyag. She graduated in Korean culinary school. She built her own Korean restaurant.
Let's go on. So, we're going to start our little kids named Ivy, Marcus, and
Just listen to me first. I get this. Listen to me.
get out of my sight. How did you do this? I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
I hate you! Get out of my sight now! Ah! Property because their mother gives it to her, but his brother didn't allow them even though she had. Brother can hear my sister.
Why? You have your own house, right? Yung bago sa namin.
Because it's my ex-husband.
I'm just kidding. Escape. Because I heard you and our sons and daughters go to the province. And I love you. I want you to take care of
Okay. It's your birthday. Pressure for your father. Anyone? Promise me, huh?
I will promise you.
Wow. Promise me.
Promise.